Get ready to grab your favorite beverage and settle in because you're tuned in to the Spill the Tea podcast with your hosts, Dana
and Lithel. We're here to spill all the juicy details, dish out the real talk, and dive deep into the topics that matter most to us. Faith, life, motherhood, and everything in between.
So grab your favorite cozy spot, get comfortable, and let's dive into the tea together. We're thrilled to have you here and we can't wait to spill it all out. Are you ready?
Let's go!
So hi everyone, welcome back to our podcast. Hello sis, welcome back to our podcast.
Welcome.
So anyway, if you are tuned in right now, make sure to click that follow button. So mga wala pa naka-follow na aming page, it will do great wonders sa aming Facebook page. And also, we are sure na this podcast that we are creating will surely bless you din.
Yes, definitely.
Yes. So in our previous episode, we talked a little bit about our advice sa mga nagbabalak na magpakasal. And now, with the recent viral video of Tony and Diego Loizaga, na-highlight kasi doon yung when Diego said that for him, marriage is just a piece of paper. So, when Ate Liz and I saw that, of course, we have our own personal opinions. So let me just say that, disclaimer lang, we all have our own personal opinion. But right now, we want to dive in deeper into what God says about marriage. And yung of course, aming experience or aming thoughts about what He said. So, ikaw sis.
Start na tayo.
Start
Ito
na
na
tayo.
tayo. Ito na yan.
So again disclaimer.
Yeah, this is just our own opinion.
We're not judging him. We are not attacking what he said, but this is our personal opinion, and we want to shed light then on what the Bible says about marriage.
Yeah.
So, how about you? What are your thoughts about what Diego said?
Actually, first ko kasi siya nakita, again, as a, alam mo naman ako, hindi ako mahilig mag-watch ng mga videos. First ko siya nakita, lang siya, yung parang meme type na he doesn't believe in marriage and then he thinks marriage is just a piece of paper. Parang syempre parang ganun sa akin. Kasi, well, in my case, actually, nung pinanood ko yung video niya, medyo same kami ng childhood. Separated ang parents and then living with my mom, ganun. Pero kasi, yun nga, iba-iba kasi tayo ng perspective. Oo, yeah. Ako naman, sa kanya kasi, nagsha-shun out siya from marriage because of what happened to him. Ako naman, I want to be married for the right reasons. Yun ang sa akin na hindi naman sa dinadown ko yung parents ko, but kung sabaga, I want to make it right sa panahon ko because I want to be a good example to my kids. So, yun yung sa akin na parang I don't see marriage is just a piece. Siguro, yes. Technically, yes. Kung dito sa atin, sa mundo, kung isipin mo, parang nagsayin-sayin lang naman kayo eh. Pero if you will be married in a Christian wedding, I mean, kasi may concept kasi tayo na kapag sinabi mo Christian wedding, dapat bongga, dapat yung nagpapakain ka ng ilang tao. Pero actually, more than the bongga na celebration, the marriage itself can be intimate. You can do it like kayo ng partner mo, ng magiging husband or magiging wife mo, and then yung inyong spiritual leader, and parents nyo. Kasi actually, marriage itself, it is one way for you to honor your parents. Kasi if you go into marriage is not just a piece of paper because marriage in a spiritual context, it is a covenant. So, what do you mean by covenant? Covenant means it is your hindi ka lang nag-sign ng paper para legally to bind you as one ng partner mo. It is a covenant na sa inyong partner mo and with God. Spiritually. Sa spirit siya. Hindi lang siya yung, sige lang kasi gusto natin magsama. Kung titingnan mo yung marriage in a context of sa spiritual na side. Tama yun. Kasi pinanood ko din yung video na kaya ayaw niya magpakasal because ayaw niyang pagdaanan ng mga anak niya, yung nangyari sa kanya. Pero, balik tayo dun sa overthinking. Parang pinoproblema niya na masyado yung future in a sense. Na, that's why, being married in a Christian marriage, may certain doon na your marriage would flourish kasi nandyan si Lord. If both of you understand that the real, minsan kasi natatakpan na yung kasi, magpakasal, so bongga, ganyan, pero nawala yung essence ng ano ba talaga yung marriage.
Actually, I felt bad for him because yun yung na-experience niya sa marriage. Yun yung first-hand experience niya sa marriage. And I don't think any kid deserves to experience that, na
True.
separated ang parents. I know it must have been super painful sa kanya to grow up na yung mama niya lang. Siyempre, ganun. Of course, kailangan talaga ng papa.
Mm-mm.
Iba ang impact pag you grew up with both of your parents.
Agree.
So, ako, I'm really blessed to be able to grow up in a Christian family and yung happy family talaga. Pero sa aking opinion naman with regards to Diego, it's that I don't want to shun him out sa kanyang answer because yun yung kanyang na-experience. But instead, it's very important for him to know more about it.
Yeah.
Kasi para mag-change yung mind niya.
Pero well, although nag-disclaimer naman siya na
nag-disclaimer siya, which is good.
Oo, 'di ba, na pwedeng ngayon yung
Yun yung
view
belief
niya,
oo.
pero baka after ilang years
Mag-change.
din.
Yes. So, yun, okay lang ako nun kasi hopefully, we could just pray for him na makahanap siya ng mentor na mag-guide sa kanya about it. So, anyway, going back, for me, yes, marriage is a piece of paper if you want to see it that way because, of course, pag pakasal ka, you have to sign, di ba, for legality purposes. But, for me, yung sabi mo, it's more than that.
Yeah.
It's more than just a piece of paper. Always sinasabi ng papa ko sa akin na, yung sa Bible, yung you're a precious diamond, yung ganun, yung iniisip ko. So, ako, I want to be with a man na yung sure sa akin.
True.
Hindi yung ganun ang view ng marriage na, papel lang yan, we can just, I love you, you love me, we have
Okay
kids.
na yun,
So, for him, okay na yun, no? For me, I deserve to be married in a church in front of the people we love and in front of God. Na yung sabi mo, I like what you said about yung spiritual context. Na yun yung mag-bind sa amin dalawa, not only through paper, but through God. We all know what marriage is like without God.
Yeah.
Sobrang hirap. And when you focus just on yung worldly thing about yung paper lang yan, ay para lang yan sa protect ng assets, sige lang, okay lang, kahit ito kasal, bigay ko sa'yo lahat. It's not enough.
Yeah, true.
Iba, it's deeper. It's way deeper. Marriage is way deeper than just, saying it's just a piece of paper for me. If ever na ganyan pa yung viewpoint mo about marriage, don't get married just yet. For me, don't get married just yet. Kasi, kawawa ka, kawawa yung partner mo, kawawa yung mga anak mo.
Being married is kumbaga more aside sa may spiritual context, it is your assurance din na your partner is really sure sa'yo. Kapag iniisip mo, whatever you say, whatever you do, it is already in your heart. So if sinasabi mo na, baka later on mag-separate lang din kami, so ibig sabihin, nasa mind mo siya na pwedeng mag-separate kami. Compared sa, sige magpakasal tayo kasi I am willing to be with you forever, regardless.
I just want to share my experience. Nagpakasal na kami, iba ang feeling. I'm going to be with this man forever. Yan, kahit may paper man or wala, like we are one. hindi siya yung feeling na, oh my gosh, asawa na kami, lahat ng ipon ko, lahat ng ipon niya, isa na kami lahat, conjugal na kami lahat. Hindi yung gano'n na overwhelming feeling, but yung overwhelming feeling na we stood in front of the people we love, we stood in front of God, and we said yes to each other.
Parang wala nang urungan to. This is it forever.
It's such a fleeting moment, siguro for me as a woman.
Siguro iba yung liberty
Siguro.
ng kasal na kayo. Kasi kung kasal na kayo, parang hindi ka na nagtatago or parang ganun na feeling. Alam mo yon na ay, kasal man kami. So, we are allowed to be in one house, one room. Yung, alam mo yon.
Yung ano ka na din, yung parang Mr. and Mrs. Soto, Mr. and Mrs. Apura. Parang
Yeah.
ganyan, di ba? Parang
Actually,
isa
na-feel
na
ko
kayo.
din yan. Oh, lalo na yung nag-process ako ng mga IDs,
Oo.
yung nag-change name ako. Parang, ay, ganito pala yung feeling na pag
Meron kayong own unit nyo kasi.
this is how you show your respect sa parents ng girl.
Ay, oo.
I would see it in that perspective na kung sa baga, it is your way of saying na sure ako sa anak nyo, sure ako na alagaan ko siya. Pero hindi naman yan sinabi na parang 100% happy-happy lang. Siyempre, trials and challenges talaga would come whether we like it or not. But the beauty of being kanang understanding it in a spiritual perspective, alam mo na nandyan si Lord. Alam mo na hindi lang kayong dalawa. It's not just the both of you who are building your own empire. Pero alam nyo na you would really thrive because nandyan si Lord. I really parang encourage na yung mga nagpapakasal, before they go into or they step into the married life, they do counseling talaga muna. Because through counseling, mas mag-deeper yung understanding mo when it comes to marriage. Parang hindi mo siya isipin na for the legalities or for the celebration. Mawala yung isip mo doon and you would think, ano ba talaga yung marriage na gi-create ni Lord?
Naisip ko na yan. Alam mo yung uso ngayon na trial and error na parang live-in muna.
Para at
na-
least sure ka kung hindi ba talaga siya
Oo.
by chance pa to get out of the
Oo.
relationship.
So, iba ang beauty ng marriage talaga. It's different. It's hard. Yes, it has
Ups
times
and
na parang,
down.
kaya na talaga, inis na ako sa'yo. So, ikaw sis, I want to ask you, why do we have to get married?